Today's video we will do some sums of the exponent chapter. So before that, let's remember the BODMAS rule. According to the BODMAS rule, we first solve the brackets. And what is the order of brackets to be solved? First of all, we solve the round bracket, after that curly bracket, and in the last we solve the square bracket. Okay, and then we do the first division, after that multiplication, then addition, and in the last we do the subtraction. Here we first have to solve inside this bracket. What you have to do first change this negative integer into the positive. And how do we change the power? This is the negative power. We change it in positive by do the reciprocal of it. So here just do the reciprocal of these numbers. Now here our powers are in positive. Now just solve this. 3 raised to the power 3 is 27, minus 2 raised to the power 3 is 8, divide by 4 raised to the power 3 is 64, minus this you will get 19, divide by 64. So now you cannot divide it further, we will write it in fraction form, and this is the answer. Just convert the powers which are in negative into the positive and then solve it further. Now here is another problem, another sum. First of all, what you have to do, इसकी पावर को पॉजिटिव बनाना है, पावर को पॉजिटिव बनाना है. So how can we make the power positive? By do the reciprocal. 4/3 का reciprocal 3/4, and the power is in positive now. Reciprocal of 1/4 is 4, and the power is positive now. We will leave this power in negative here and we'll solve further. 3/4 raised to the power 1 is 3/4. 4 raised to the power 1 is 4. Solve it, you will get 3 minus 16. 3 minus 16 is 13. And we will put the sign of minus here because 16 is greater than 3/4. Now here our power is in negative, so finally we will convert this power in positive by doing the reciprocal of the number. This is the answer. Look at this problem here. Here again the integers, the powers are in negative. These are the negative integers. Change these powers in the positive. We will start solving by the round bracket. First round bracket के अंदर की digit solve करेंगे. What you have to do, you have to just change the negative power into positive. हर एक digit की जो negative power है उसे positive में change करेंगे. 1/5 into 1/3. इन दोनों की power 1 है, so our digit will be 1/5 only. Minus 1 divide by 1/6. Now first solve the round bracket. राउंड ब्रैकेट के अंदर सॉल्व करेंगे. 1 into 1 1, 5 into 3 15, and we have its power minus 1. Divide by 1/6. Do the reciprocal of 15 because the power is negative here. 15 divide by 1/6. Now just solve this division. Whenever you do the division of the fraction, we put the multiply sign and do the reciprocal of the second digit. So here it is 90, and this is the answer. Let's look at this question. We have to find the value of x. This x is given here. We have to find the value of this x. So before solving this question, just remember a concept we have already learned in the previous classes. Whenever the bases are same, their powers will get equal. For example, we have 5 raised to the power 2 and is equals to 5 raised to the power 4x. So here the bases are equal, so we can write it like this. Our powers will get equal, and from here we can find the value of x. So we have to just follow this concept here also. So here first look at these two fractions. When the bases are in multiplication, we add up the powers. 4 plus minus 7. This will remain as it is. 4 upon 9 plus minus minus. 4 minus 7 is 3, and we will put the sign of minus because 7 is greater. Now see here, the bases are equal, so we will equalize the powers. Minus 3 equals to 2x minus 1. Now transport this 1 here on the another side of this. 1 will come another side of the equal sign, and this will, it's in negative here, it will get change in positive. जब इक्वल के साइन के दूसरी तरफ जाते हैं तो साइंस चेंज हो जाते हैं. ये नेगेटिव में था, इधर जाके पॉजिटिव में आ जाएगा. प्लस माइनस इज माइनस, so 3 minus 1 is 2, and put the sign of 3 negative. From here we can find the value of x, which is minus 1. Now look at this problem. By what number should 6 raised to the power minus 1 be multiplied so that the product become 9 raised to the power 1? 6 raised to the power minus 1 में क्या मल्टीप्लाई करें जिससे इसका प्रोडक्ट क्या हो जाए? 9 raised to the power 1. Suppose we multiply x, and now we have to find the value of this x. What we have to do whenever we have the नेगेटिव पावर्स, जब भी नेगेटिव पावर होती है तो सबसे पहले पावर्स को पॉजिटिव करते हैं. और पावर्स को पॉजिटिव कैसे करते हैं? बाय डूइंग द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ द बेस. नाउ दिस इज द वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन. Transport this 1 upon 6 into the another side of the equal sign. Here this 1 upon 6 is in multiplication with x. Whenever it go to the other side of the equal sign, जब भी कोई भी नंबर इक्वल टू के दूसरी साइड जाता है तो उसका साइन चेंज हो जाता है. Here the sign is multiplication. When it goes to the another side, it will get change in divide. So here 1 upon 6 will come with the sign of divide. Now solve this divide. We all know how to solve this question. 3 to the 6, 3 3 the 9. So this is 2 upon 3, and this is the answer. Now see, here is the another sum where you have to find the value of x. And how do you find the value of x? Just first of all group the fractions without the x sign. x जिसकी पावर x है उसे दूसरी साइड भेजेंगे इक्वल टू के, और बाकी जो सिमिलर है जहाँ पर x नहीं है उन्हें इक्वल टू के दिस साइड लेके आएंगे. So when this 7 upon 2 raised to the power 4 goes to the this side, it will comes in negative. Here we will write 7 upon 12 raised to the power 3x as it is. Here we have 7 raised upon 12 raised to the power 5, and when this term goes here, it will come in divide. Now remember the concept. Whenever the bases are same and are in divide, their powers get subtracted, m minus n. We have to apply this concept here. 7 upon 12. Here the bases are same, so their powers will get subtracted because there is a sign of minus in between. Let's solve it further. 5 minus minus plus 4. 5 plus 4, 9. The bases are same and so their powers will get equalized. We can equalize their powers like this. From here find the value of x. X equals to 9 upon 3. 3 3s are 9. So x equals to 3. This is the value of x.